Yes. So today I'm going to be doing some work, maintenance, and just a few things to the dirt jumper here. Taking out the bottom bracket and just servicing it, cleaning it, making sure that everything is lubed well and going on. So stay tuned. And I'm just going to let that chain hang. Okay, so what we need here is the Park Tool BBT-9. This because I want to see. Okay, that's loose. So I'm thinking this is like my preload. Okay. And I just remove this bolt. Looks like it's got some good grease on it here. I'm sure they make a special tool for this, but I don't have one. And we're going to emphasize on trying to get this out. Aha! Go ahead and tap that on out. I'm going to pull this straight out of there. Bottom bracket looks good. A little bit of rust right here. And it may not even be part of the sealed section. I don't know. But that's why we're pulling it apart. I want to ensure that everything is well. We'll go ahead and continue using this tool to take this off. Okay. So there is a little bit of, you see that white residue? That's dry dirt. Okay, like powder. So this side here is the right side is reverse thread. Now look closely here. I've got a seal here, spacer or shim. Make sure that goes on this side. This is rubber also, plastic it feels like, so I really don't want to spray it with any brake clean. Just make sure your fingers are clean when you use it. I'm just going to put a little bit here on this, on these threads here. That way everything goes in real nice and smoothly, and I don't have any issues down the road. Nicely done. You can grease this also if you want. Just be careful running your finger across these. There could be a burr there and you get a metal sliver in your finger. A good thing with this scenario. Now right here, you can see it says 25 to 30 foot-pounds. I'd say that's tight enough. Double check it. Yep. That's pretty tight. Okay. So now, this piece here, we are going to put just a little bit of grease around this O-ring. Okay. And this bottom bracket here, this is just a plastic piece here. It's just a sleeve. And the O-ring helps keep out the dirt. Slide that back through there. This is the bearing cap. Okay. One thing you might want to do is just make sure that that's all the way on there. Okay. Now then, you'll want to line your pedals up. Coat everything. And get your Allen wrench. We'll put the chain back on. So we are all set. Good deal. All right. Well, thanks for watching. There you have it. We have double checked and re-greased the bottom bracket. All right. Till next time. Peace.